In addition to text, most presentations include visuals. These visuals could be a company logo, photos of your team, or graphics that represent a project you're planning. In this video, you will add images to your presentation. Images like photos and graphics can draw your audience's attention to your key points and support the ideas you described in the text. To start working with images, add the logo linked on the Applied Digital Skills website to your Google Drive. Then, return to your presentation and select your first slide. Add the logo link to your slide. Resize the image so that it fits with your text. To make it easier to place the image in the right place, you can add guides to your slide. Guides are temporary lines that help you place objects and images. Move the image to the center of the slide using the guides. The image will snap to the guides when they turn red. Guides do not appear in presenter view or when you print your slides. Next, add a photo of a team member from the website to your drive. And insert the team member's photo to their own slide. Snap the image so that the left side of the image lines up with the center guide. This will help your slide look balanced once you add text on the left side. If you want more practice working with images, add the rest of the team member images linked on the website to their own slides. Once you have added a team member's photo, find an image from the web to include in the presentation. Select the team member slide you created earlier. Search the web for an icon that represents your team working together. Insert the icon. Make it smaller so that it fits underneath your text. And move the icon to the bottom center of the text box. Then, change the color of the image to make it stand out more clearly from your theme background. Next, add an image as a slide background. Find the banner image file linked on the website and add it to your drive. Go to the next blank slide in your presentation. Change the background of this slide to the banner starter file linked on the website. Using an image as a background changes the proportion of your original image. Use an image that is large enough to cover the entire background. As you create your own presentations, you can use these same steps to add images from your device, a web link, or Google Photos. Move on to the next video to insert videos into your presentation. Now, it's your turn. Add, resize, and move the small logo from the website to your title slide. Add a team member photo. Add, resize, and move a teamwork icon from the web, and change the background of your final slide to the banner from the website.